Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's me Abhisha. If you are someone who is preparing seriously for GATE, then it's the right video for you. Since today we are going to see GATE 2007 and 8 questions on set transform. Do watch the session completely. Let us start this session with a question from GATE 2007. The set transform x of z of a sequence x of n is given by x of z is equal to 0.5 by 1 minus 2z raised to minus 1. It is given that the region of convergence of x of z includes the unit circle. The value of x of 0 is option A minus 0.5, option B 0, option C 0.25 and option D 0.5. Here x of z is given as 0.5 by 1 minus 2 z raised to minus 1, which can be rearranged as 0.5 into 1 by 1 minus 2 z raised to minus 1. So here we have a constant 0.5 and another term 1 by 1 minus 2 z raised to minus 1. This term is in the form of 1 by 1 minus a z raised to minus 1, where a is equal to 2. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find inverse set transform of this x of z. Since this is a constant, we have to concentrate only on the second term, that is 1 by 1 minus 2z raised to minus 1. Do you know the inverse z transform of 1 by 1 minus a z raised to minus 1? In fact, the inverse set transform of 1 by 1 minus a z raised to minus 1 with ROC mod set greater than a is a raised to n u of n, and that of 1 by 1 minus a z raised to minus 1 with ROC mod set less than mod a is minus a raised to n u of minus n minus 1. In our question, it is mentioned that ROC includes unit circle and a is equal to 2. Since ROC includes unit circle, it should be mod z less than mod a, and corresponding inverse set transform should be minus a raised to n u of minus n minus 1. So we get x of n as minus 0.5 2 raised to n u of minus n minus 1. In the question, we are asked to find out value of x of 0, that is value of x of n at n equal to 0. From this expression, it is clear that x of 0 is 0. Thus, our answer is option B. Got it? Let us move ahead and see next question. The ROC of set transform of the discrete time sequence x of n is equal to 1 by 3 whole raised to n u of n minus 1 by 2 whole raised to n u of minus n minus 1 is. Four options are given. Option A 1 by 3 less than mod z less than 1 by 2. Option B mod z greater than 1 by 2. Option C mod z less than 1 by 3. And option D 2 less than mod z less than 3. Let us first understand this question. Here we are asked to find out ROC of this x of n. Let us label this as x1 of n and this as x2 of n. Now what we are going to do is we are going to find out z transform and ROC of x1 of n first, then that of x2 of n. Finally, we combine these two to get our desired ROC of x of n. Alright, the transform of unit step sequence a raised to n u of n with 0 less than a less than 1 is 1 by 1 minus a z raised to minus 1 with ROC mod z greater than a. Based on this, we can write z transform of x1 of n 1 by 3 whole raised to n u of n as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 z raised to minus 1 with ROC mod z greater than 1 by 3. On the other hand, set transform of minus a raised to n u of minus n minus 1 is 1 by 1 minus a z raised to minus 1 with ROC mod z less than mod a. Using this, we can write set transform and ROC of x2 of n as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 set raised to minus 1 with the ROC mod z less than mod 1 by 2. Thus, we obtained set transform and ROC of x1 of n and x2 of n. What is our next task? Our next task is to combine these two results to get our desired ROC, that is ROC of x of n. We already calculated ROC of x1 of n as mod z greater than 1 by 3, which represents the area outside the circle of radius 1 by 3 in set plane. You can see it over here. The shaded region represents ROC of x1 of n. On the other hand, ROC of x2 of n is obtained as mod z less than 1 by 2, which represents area inside the circle of radius 1 by 2 in set plane. It is plotted here. The shaded region represents ROC of x2 of n. The ROC of x of n, that is x1 of n minus x2 of n, is nothing but the intersection of R1 and R2, that is intersection of ROC of x1 and that of x2 of n, which is nothing but area between these two circles, that is 1 by 3 less than mod z less than 1 by 2. Thus, our answer is option A. Hope you all understood this problem perfectly. With this, I'm going to wind up this session. Thanks for watching. Thank you.